voice of Wielth Abacus and Lacquer art. Today we'll use ancient lacquerware and mother-of-pearl techniques to create an ancient calculator, the Abacus. From the lacquer tree flows a natural resin. Filtered, sun-dried, transformed into a stable coating. Colors are blended, patterns drawn, the ancient craft begins. Beads are shaped, drilled, and polished smooth. Mortise and tenon join. The frame takes form. Layers of lacquer, sanding again and again. Mother-of-pearl inlay shells glimmer in the light. More lacquer, more polish, until a gentle luster appears. Assembly complete. With the clack of the abacus, fortunes are made. What other amazing crafts would you like to see? Let us know in the comments.